welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my master bathroom. So I'm feeling pretty good today. I just had a really nice little pamper session, which I vlogged. It's in our latest vlog. I'll link it up in the corner. I'm out of breath just from saying one sentence. But I'm feeling good today for now. And I expect this might take like a few days because it's a big project. But I am so tired of not knowing where anything is in my home. So today I'm tackling the master bathroom. I literally just have like bags and bags of skincare, body care, hair care, all of that stuff that used to be in my office in my like 9-drawer Alex unit, but I want to keep all that in here if I can. I'll show you what we're working with, but we have 2 sinks, so I have my own sink. Bradley has his own cabinet and we're sharing the top drawer, but I've been given my cabinet and then the 2 bottom drawers to just store all the PR product, all the backup product we have, and then we can both dip into it. So yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm thinking, which is kind of why I've been putting this off. But then I realized, because I was like, oh, I need to get, you know, in order what I want to do. But I realized that like, if it's not working, I can change it, but let's at least set up something so we can get going, using, seeing how it's working. Yeah, today's just gonna be a big, probably a declutter, because if you missed it, we found out that our offer was accepted on this house and we were pregnant in the same 24 hours. So my first, I guess my second month of pregnancy technically, but when I was feeling the most sick was when it was time to pack and move. So Bradley did all of the packing. Ideally, I would have liked to like declutter as I packed, but Bradley literally did all the packing. He's such a gem. So everything was just kind of thrown in boxes, and now as I'm unpacking, I will sort through, declutter, and just get everything really organized. And I'm actually really excited about it because I feel like this bathroom is just going to be an oasis when I get it done. So yeah, I'm excited to start working on it right now, but it'll be very time-lapse heavy. I'll stop and like kind of talk you through what I did and that kind of stuff. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get cracking. Okay, so I got this thing from a friend for our wedding, and I've had it in storage this whole time because I've wanted to use it specifically for bath bombs and bubble bars and just organize them like that. Zoe Sugg in her old house had something like this and I've always loved it, and I was like, oh, I totally want to do that. So when I got this as a present, I saved it just for this. So now I have all these boxes of bath bombs. I'm going to put them in here. Okay guys, so bathroom is done. Here's just like an oversweep of the whole area. Hey! Don't mind me, but Ludi, thought I'd give you a quick just kind of overview of what I organized and how I organized things. We're also like obviously not totally done in here. I want to put up the twinkle lights, but I need Bradley's help. I want hella hanging plants in here, more plants. I want it to be a jungle. For now, I thought I'd show you what we unpacked and organized and put away. So first things first, I posted this on Instagram. I got so many questions about what kind of a unit or like shelf this was, if I bought it, if I made the shelves myself. This is just like a medicine cabinet that's in our master bathroom. Medicine cabinets do feel kind of dated to me, but I love them. I love having a mirror on the side, and I love just like the extra storage. And now that Bradley has his own cabinet and we share this drawer, I get to have this all to myself for all the skincare things, so I was very excited. So I'll give you a quick tour. We have deodorants, my Foreo, some moisturizer, my tea tree pads, some smaller things like lip balm, lip scrub, eye cream. This is a bunch of like serums, oils, my frankincense oil, another kind of random one, my DIY toner back there, some tulip brightening drops, some eye stuff, my SPF, and then I've been using this every night, sorry, not every night, like every 3 nights, this Carez Wild Rose sleeping facial. And then we have the taller thing, so I'm trying to use this up, the Kate Somerville cryogenic. I don't even know if that's safe for pregnancy, I need to look that up. Some face mist, and then I've been using up this fresh black tea toner, and then my body spray, my hair oil, and some dry shampoo. So yeah, it's been working great. Then in the cabinet, this drawer is face masks. So all my pots, face masks, all my, you know, bottles, and then all my little Foreo activated sheet masks here in a row. I can kind of just, oh, that one's empty. All right, well that can go in the empties, but I can just kind of take one out as needed, which has been really nice. The top basket portion wouldn't fit with the pipe, so I'm either gonna have to get a new one, or I don't know, but for now this works. I have Epsom salts back there, backup bubble bars, some new loofahs, and then I just have this little 3-drawer system thing I got at the Container Store. This has like sheet masks, eye masks, all those kinds of things. This is backup lip products, so Lush lip scrubs, a Laneige lip sleepy balm, and then all of pretty much just my Young Living backup lip balms. And then I have some extra razor heads for my current razor. We have some extra Lush stuff, and then just extra like random stuff. It's not even that organized, but I just got this mouthwash. Just basically like body care. So some extra Lush stuff, some of my coconut oil that I use in beauty DIYs, this hair stuff because it wouldn't fit in the medicine cabinet, but once I use some stuff up, it will. And then back there, I just have this bin of hair tools. And then this drawer is kind of chaotic, but so far it's working, but we'll see. I have hair ties, hair clips. This has bobby pins in it. This is kind of random. We have poop bags because Ludo's thrown up a couple times and I'm annoyed having to go downstairs to get a bag to pick it up. So I kept a roll up here because I'm lazy. Nail clippers, tweezers, a spoolie. This is a thing I like to use for the mirror. This is kind of Bradley's little section. He has a bunch of chapsticks. I don't know. And then back there is kind of the oral care section. Extra toothbrushes, toothpaste, floss, all that jazz. Next drawer is hair masks, my scrunchies, and any backup hair products. So I don't really use that many hair products, so I don't have a ton on hand, but what I do have is in here, and then extra shampoo and conditioner is back here. I just restocked on my favorite Copaiba Vanilla from Young Living because it was sold out for the longest time. But yeah, just backups and then hair masks. And this is my skincare drawer. I do have some wipes, let me move those. So this is just backup or PR or whatever. When I need something, I can go in here. So we have sort of like serums, oils, just kind of like random stuff in this one. This one is more moisturizing things. So backup moisturizers, face oils. We got face sprays, we got toners, we have kind of more like pads back there, and then cleansers. I don't really have room to grow, but I also don't need, I need to be better about using it or passing it on before it's gonna run out of date. And then this is what this looks like. We have an oil diffuser, which I need to find the cord for. I can't find it, but that's where that will live. I don't know if we're always gonna have separate soaps, but for now Bradley set it up that way and I was like, okay. So I have my favorite lavender Mrs. Meyer soap. He has the lemon verbena one. This is a cute little tray that I actually got in San Francisco a long time ago that I love. Toothbrushes, I have a little oil roller just because it's cute. And then we've been loving this Trader Joe's hyaluronic body gel cream, love. And then over here, Bradley said he wanted a ring dish, so I just put that there for him now. And then his snake plant that he wanted in the corner. I told this story in my home haul, but when we viewed this house, there was a potted plant right here and he loved it. So he wanted something for his side of the sink. So we potted this up for him. Then over to the bathtub area, you also saw us repot this. Right before we moved, I noticed that it was blooming flowers and I was so excited. But I Googled it, and while it's really, really rare and cool, it is a sign that the snake plant is in stress. So it needed a bigger home. So we repotted it into this plant stand that we got at Home Goods. We kind of cleaned her up. She's looking much better. So yeah, we put that in there. I have a little baby string of pearls that I'm hoping will eventually, you know, trail down. I just have some random bubble candles and pillar candles. I want to get like hella candles for around here. But I have my pothos. I got a lot of questions. I can link that vase down below. It's actually a vase. It's not a pot. But the pothos is in soil in it. It has been for about a year and it's doing really, really well. It's like a really odd, very long pot, but I just wanted to try it out because I really want it to kind of trail, and look how beautiful it looks in that. So we have that. And then last but not least, I love this so much, the bath bomb and bubble bar baskets. It's so easy to just reach in and grab one. It's pretty, I love it. I might eventually paint this because I do think it's kind of an eyesore with the rest of the white. I don't necessarily mean paint it white, but maybe, I don't know, we'll think about that. But for now, it's working and I love it. So yeah, guys, that is the bathroom organization. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want more house stuff, I'm making like a whole new house playlist. I'll link it up in the corner, but there is tons more to come of unpacking, organizing. See, look at my bedroom. My clothes are still in boxes. So we got that to do. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and I will see you later. Bye.